Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WTRH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I will explain in detail. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways on this one. Very impressive movement, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going into Friday. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up above 60. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 60, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there is how I am defining the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 60 would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Nothing fancy or complicated here other than the fact that the party finally stopped earlier today up around the 65-cent mark. So 65 cents will be public enemy number one. If the price can get up above 65, then the next key level after that be up there at, let's see, what is that? The 70-cent mark. So 65 near term, and then after that, next key level at 70 cents. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Very impressive movement. Not even necessarily today, but I mean, you also factor in Wednesday. And to think that, really just a couple of days ago, the price was all the way down here. Now all of a sudden the price has worked its way all the way up to that point. So a nice move definitely underway. So let's see if the price can continue to build upon this momentum or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.